Section 1. What is AI? A simple start. What is AI? AI means artificial intelligence. It means machines or software that can do tasks that usually need thinking. These tasks include seeing, listening, writing, making choices. Imagine a computer program doing what a person can do without the person. Not robots with feelings from movies, software that solves problems. This software lives on our phones, on our computers, and in the background of websites we visit every day. The goal isn't to replace people, it's to give tools that make hard tasks easier. Like a very specific, focused assistant for one job. Think of a map app on your phone. It finds a route for you. It can learn from traffic. That app uses AI. Think of a voice assistant. You say, play music. The assistant understands and plays a song. That is AI too. AI is already in many small things we use every day, often without noticing. When your email sorts messages into inbox spam, that's AI at work. Section 2. AI in your pocket. Everyday examples. Let's look closer at the AI you already use. When you watch a movie service, it suggests what to watch next. That suggestion isn't random, it's AI. The system looks at what you've watched before. It looks at what other people who like the same movies have watched. It puts all that information together and makes an educated guess about a movie you might enjoy. It's a recommendation engine, and it's a very common type of AI. This same logic applies to online shopping sites that show you products you might also like, or music apps that create a personalized playlist just for you. They are all learning from your behavior. Another great example is language translation. You can open an app, speak a sentence in English, and have it instantly translated into Spanish or Japanese. The AI wasn't taught grammar rules in the traditional sense. Instead, it was trained on a massive library of texts, already translated by humans. It learned patterns of how words and phrases correspond and tries to transfer meaning, not just swap words. Think about your phone's camera. Face detection, low light brightening and portrait mode are AI identifying the subject and separating it from the background in milliseconds. Even your keyboard's next word suggestions come from learning billions of sentences to save you a few taps. Each example shows AI as a quiet helper, faster, smarter, more convenient. Not one big scary thing, but thousands of small tools woven into daily life. Section 3. How does AI actually learn? The secret sauce. So, how does an AI learn? AI learns by analyzing huge amounts of data to find patterns, then uses those patterns to make predictions about new data. Here's the idea. It's a bit like a detective studying thousands of clues to solve a case. The AI isn't thinking in the human sense, it's performing incredibly complex math. It assigns numerical weights to different features in the data. For a cat picture, has pointy ears might get a high score. Has wheels would get a very low score. The AI adjusts scores over and over to improve. There are different types of AI. Some follow fixed rules, like a calculator that doesn't learn. Others learn from data. That's machine learning. A newer, more powerful type is deep learning, using neural networks loosely inspired by the brain. Great with images, sounds, and natural language. This learning often needs a teacher at first. Humans create labeled data. This is a cat. This is not a cat. That labeled data is the AI's textbook. More examples and variety make it better. If trained only on black cats, a white cat may confuse it. Quality and diversity of data are crucial. After training, the AI is tested on data it has never seen. We measure accuracy, how many it gets right, how many it misses. If performance isn't good enough, engineers tweak the process or add better data. It's a cycle of train, test, and refine. Ongoing work makes models more accurate, more reliable, and more useful for their intended task. AI can do many useful things right now today. In medicine, it helps doctors spot diseases earlier. AI systems analyze X-rays and MRIs and highlight areas that might be cancerous. This doesn't replace the doctor. It's a second pair of eyes that can lead to faster, more accurate diagnoses. It can analyze patient data to predict the best treatments, paving the way for personalized medicine. In agriculture, AI helps farmers grow more with fewer resources. Drones spot dry patches or fertilizer needs and find sick plants early. Precision farming means less water wasted, fewer chemicals used, and better outcomes for farmers and the environment. Sensors show moisture and nutrients in real time, helping farmers make smarter choices. AI is a powerful tool for creativity. Writers brainstorm, get past writer's block, and check grammar. Musicians generate new melodies or backing tracks in a chosen style. Designers create images from text and explore visual concepts faster. AI as collaborator and muse. Across industries, AI improves efficiency, optimizing delivery routes to save fuel and time. It spots unusual transactions in finance, and chatbots answer common questions 24/7, so people can focus on complex issues. AI takes on repetitive, data-heavy tasks, so people can focus on strategic thinking, empathy, and creativity. But AI has significant limits. It is not human. It does not truly understand concepts like love, justice, or humor. It doesn't have common sense. An AI can write a poem about sadness, but it doesn't feel sad. It's arranging words it learned from humans who did feel sad. This is a crucial distinction. AI can make mistakes when it encounters situations different from its training. A system trained only in sun may fail in a snowstorm. Its knowledge is limited to its experience. One of the biggest problems is bias. If the training data is biased, the AI will learn and amplify that bias. A hiring AI trained on biased past decisions may unfairly screen out qualified candidates, not because it's malicious, but because it reflects its data. Auditing for fairness and using diverse representative data are critical steps to prevent this. AI can be clever in small ways but fail in big, obvious ways, spotting the dog but missing a purple sky or a handstand in the background. It sees details it was trained to see, but often misses broader context. That's why human oversight is vital, especially in law, medicine, and public safety. Final decisions should rest with people who apply common sense and ethics. Furthermore, AI systems can be brittle. A tiny, almost invisible change can cause a confident misidentification. This shows AI relies on statistical patterns that can be tricked. Researchers are working to make systems more robust. There are many myths, often from sci-fi. Today's AI does not think. It calculates. It has no consciousness, desires, or intentions. It's a tool that follows mathematical instructions. Rogue AI takeover fears don't reflect current tech. Real concerns focus on how humans choose to use AI, for good or bad, and rules to prevent misuse. AI will change jobs. Repetitive data-driven tasks will be automated, but tech also creates new jobs, like calculators didn't replace mathematicians. AI will partner with professionals, helping them do their jobs better, shifting focus to critical thinking, creativity, and collaboration with AI. Privacy and safety matter. Many AI systems need lots of data, sometimes personal. Companies should be transparent about what they collect and how they use it. As users, be mindful of what you share. Reading privacy policies and adjusting settings gives you more control. Governments create regulations like GDPR. For deepfakes, use layered defenses, detection tools, and clear labeling. Newsrooms and educators teach media literacy. Question sources and be skeptical of the too good or too shocking. Laws can penalize malicious deepfakes. The solution isn't to ban the tech, but to build checks and balances around it. So, what can you do now? You don't need to be a programmer. Stay curious. 3 practical tips. First, check the results. Whether it's a chatbot fact or a map route, pause and confirm, especially for important decisions. Second, protect your privacy. Review app permissions and turn off location for apps that don't need it. Small adjustments matter, like locking your front door. Third, learn a little by doing. Try an AI photo editor, a writing assistant, or a Q&A chatbot. Play with it. See where it excels and fails. Remember, AI is a set of powerful tools that learn from examples. It can help us be more productive, and it can make mistakes or reflect biases.